President Emmerson Mnangagwa is given more powers to Vice President Mohadi than to first Vice President Chiwenga during his 2-month-long leave. Sabina mashkublanyi kwachitse Mnangagwa divides Mohadi and VP Chiwenga. Ndipo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa inwe muzimu ayawambulanyira chiti. In a press statement issued by the Office of the President and Cabinet on 23 December 2025, the government announced Mnangagwa's leave arrangements in the following terms. His Excellency, the President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, has started his month-long annual vacation from today, the 23rd of December 2025. He plans to spend his vacation in the country. Vice President Mohadi will stand in for the President from the 23rd to the 31st of December 2025. Thereafter, Vice President Chiwenga will act from the 1st to the 13th of January 2026. Vice President Mohadi will resume acting responsibilities from 14th of January until His Excellency the President is back at work in the party of February 2026, His Excellency's vacation. The statement confirms that Mnangagwa will remain in Zimbabwe throughout his leave, continuing the pattern he has maintained since assuming power in 2017, following the military-assisted removal of former President Robert Mugabe. Unlike his predecessor Mugabe and the regional counterparts, Mnangagwa has consistently opted to spend his annual vacation at home, a choice widely interpreted as a deliberate strategy to minimize risks associated with elite maneuvering and potential power vacuums. While the leave arrangement is officially framed as a routine administrative procedure, its political significance lies in both what is stated and what is implied. Despite Chiwenga being the first vice president and constitutionally senior to Mohadi, he has been allocated a significantly shorter acting presidency, just 13 days, compared to Mohadi combined periods before and after Chiwenga's stint. Chiwenga's acting role is actively sandwiched between two longer periods assigned to Mohadi, a figure widely regarded within ZANU-PF as politically non-threatening and personally loyal to Mnangagwa. The sequencing has raised eyebrows within political circles, where even minor protocol decisions are often read as signals of shifting internal power dynamics. Though mashuka ari kupangwa inachinze Mnangagwa divides Mohadi and VP Chiwenga. Tunze mafunguro enyi mutulipa mzuro pichitu ichi. Panakomesa kichemedu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.